Today we are going to see scenarios in Oracle. First, we are going to see scenario of self-join. Sometimes we need to join the table to itself. Okay. I will try to give one query which explains the scenario of self-join. That is to query to find out the manager of employee. We will take the example of EMP table. Here I have used one query, okay, where I have given the alias of table as EMPE and EMPM. Okay, and I am going to select the employee name and their number, employee number, and job and their employee name. The one alias is for the employee, another alias is for the manager of the employee. Okay, so that you can get the results. Here I have executed the query. See, here we have got the result after doing the self join. Okay, here we are joining the table to itself and I have given the alias as employee E and employee M, and I'm joining the manager code with the employee number, the manager number with the employee number to get the desired result. Okay, I have included the columns employee name, employee number, job, and manager. Okay, that designation and as well as the manager employee code. Okay, employee number. Here we have got the result as Ford, and his job is analyst, and he is reporting to the manager Jones. Okay, here if you see, these are all the managers available in the EMP table. Mr. Jones, Blake, and Clark, these are all the managers. And if you see these managers, Jones, okay, he is working as a manager and he is reporting to his senior, that is King. He is working as president. He is the owner of the company and he is the president. Okay, and Clark is reporting to King. These managers are reporting to his, the managers are reporting to their managers. Okay, here so Scott is an analyst reporting to Jones. Jones is the manager. Okay, and these are all the salesmen: Turner, Martin, Ward, and Allen. Okay, the salesmen are reporting to the manager Blake. Okay, we have got the desired result by joining the table to itself. Our intention is to get the employee under respective managers. Okay, if we check all the data, it works fine. I have included this job column in order to get the clarity. There is no need to include this job column. Just employee number is enough. If you know who is reporting to whom, just if you know the manager employee number, then it's okay. But I have included this job to get the clarity so that you can easily understand. Okay, this is the way you should join the table to itself. Okay. And we are going to see some SQLs which we use in our daily support activities. And here I am going to tell some of the, here I am going to explain about some of the SQLs and how to find the DB name. There are 3 SQLs I have given here and we will try all the SQLs. Okay. Here select Aura database name from Duel. Okay, let me try this and we will see the result. It gives the database name as ORCL. Here I am having only the database ORCL only. So it lists the ORCL. And for your information, in Oracle, we cannot get the list of databases. In MySQL, if we give show databases, it will give the list of databases. Here we can get the database that is currently connected. Okay, we are connected to this Oracle database ORCL so that we can get that name only. We cannot get the list of databases in the Oracle. Okay, and I'm going to execute the other queries also. Select star from global name. We'll try this. The same result we have got. And V dollar database, everybody knows. Okay, ORCL. So all these three SQLs has given the same result. Now we are going to find all details about the constraints. See, it gives the constraints. It gives the constraint list. We are having only two constraints. It gives the constraints from our schema only. Okay, we are using the user underscore constraints. Okay, so it gives the list of constraints that is available in our schema. That is constraint name is cust underscore pk, and one constraint is system generated one. That means whenever you are not specifying any name to the constraint, the system will automatically give one name to the constraint. So it starts with sys underscore. That is why it is given the name as sys underscore some number has been given. Okay. See, it gives the constraints columns. Okay. The owner is demo and the constraint name is customer underscore pk. It is created on the table customer and on the column cust ID. So it gives the entire thing, which schema, the constraint name, the table name, and the column name. Okay. This is the same thing we have seen. Now it is not showing the that schema name, just column name, table name, and constraint name. This is more specific. We want to see all the things from the that current table. That means we are having some constraints. If you want to see the list, the column name and table name and constraint name, we can use this SQL. Okay. This is the thing we have used. And if you want to rename the constraint name, for example, here we are having the constraint name as sys underscore COO42172, like that number has been given. And this is not the correct way of doing the things. If the system itself generating the constraints, and in future, we may not find out which constraints belong to which table. So we need to give one appropriate name to that. For example, I'm going to give cust underscore pk underscore one means how I am going to do that. I'm going to rename the constraint. How I'm going to do that, I will show you. Here, the query is available. Alter table, table name, then rename constraint. Then you have to give the constraint name. Constraint name. And then we will name it as customer underscore pk underscore one. As we are having this pk already, I'm just doing like this. That we will see. See, table customer alter. And let we will query that again. See, now that column name, and the table name customer, the constraint name is altered to the user defined one. Before that, the system generated number, we have seen that. No? Now it is not there. So we have seen how to alter the constraint name in the table. Okay, these are all the SQLs which we are using in our day-to-day support activities and which we use very often. Okay. We will see some of the important SQLs like this in the coming video. Thanks. Bye.